Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by making your account and videos eligible for comments. Go to Settings and set account privacy to public so people can find and interact with you. Once done, open the video, tap the three dots, choose Privacy, and set comments to everyone. Make sure comment filters are disabled or set to manual if you want to moderate selectively. This prevents automatic hiding. By doing these first steps now, you open the channel and avoid later permission conflicts that block engagement. You now refine how comments appear and who can leave them. From Settings, Privacy comments adjust the manual filter to remove only specific words, which preserves most engagement while blocking abuse. Once done, enable Duet and Stitch in the same privacy area to encourage replies and conversational comments. Make sure your blocked accounts and hidden words lists are up to date so repeat offenders or persistent spammers get screened. By combining these controls, you keep the section open and healthy without losing community interaction. You finish by testing. Post a short clip and comment using another account to confirm everyone can reply. This validates your settings immediately. Once done, if comments don't appear, clear the app cache and update TikTok, because stale app data or older versions often cause sync problems. Make sure the video's age restrictions or copyrighted music aren't limiting interaction. If issues persist, take a screenshot of settings and contact TikTok support through the app. That speeds resolution because you can show exact configuration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.